Hi, so this is a slightly belated unboxing and review of my first Spotlight Stationery subscription box. I've been trying to film this for about a week, and for various reasons, either the filming didn't work or the upload didn't work or I don't know what. Anyway, hopefully this one will work. So I have already opened this and looked through it. I did manage a little 30-second video review on Instagram. So if you follow me on Instagram, ros.clark, you may have seen that. But for those of you who don't, here is my longer and more in-depth review and squee. So this is Spotlight Stationery. I was looking at various stationery subscription boxes online, and there are a lot of really great ones out there. There are a lot that are based in America, there are a lot that are Japanese. There are some based in the UK, but I struggled to find one that I really liked. There was a lot that was sort of really kind of twee sort of designs or cutesy, or based around sort of letter writing stationery, which, I mean, it's not that I never write letters, but I don't really need a lot of letter writing stationery. Anyway, and then I came across Spotlight Stationery, which there doesn't seem to be a whole lot of buzz about. I only found 1 or 2 YouTube videos about it and, you know, little mentions here and there. But actually, I really like it. Their focus is on really high quality stationery. Everything I looked at in their past boxes, I was like, oh, that's something I might buy for myself. And the other thing I liked about it a lot is they have an option for a bi-monthly subscription. So I'm only getting a box once every 2 months. So it's not the cheapest box in the world. It's £25 for a box. But if you're only getting it once every 2 months, that seems much more reasonable to me. And also, I don't need a new notebook every month or a new pile of pens every month. I don't need a stationery mountain, or at least I don't need to increase my stationery mountain by that much. So anyway, let's get in and have a look. So indulge your passion for stationery, yes please. And here we go. So it comes packaged in tissue paper, and a little note on the front on this really pretty postcard with a sort of pattern of whales. It just says thank you for subscribing. Then there's an envelope which also comes with your name on it, and I've taken out the 4 postcards you get inside, and I think these are different in every box. Looking around, it's not just every month they're different, but actually everybody who subscribes seems to get different postcards, and they're from artists and illustrators. So I've got this donut one. I love the giraffe. Can we see that? Let's try and get it out of the shadow. There's this slightly weird snake one, which I'm not sure quite when you'd send that to someone. And then the man in the moon. And then you do also get a postcard just with the information about the artist, so you can look up their websites if you like their work. So that's quite nice. Now they do have themes, these boxes, not a particularly specific theme. So this month's theme was bright colours, and obviously it's like they read my mind. I love the bright colours. So there might be a colour theme, sometimes it's a country, so all the products come from Japan or Germany. Sometimes it's a style, so it's sort of geometric. Last month I think was a fiction or literature kind of theme. So there are themes, but they're quite broad, and even if you think, oh, that's not a theme I love, probably you'll still love what's in the box. So bright colours, let's have a look. We've got a couple of Bulldog Clips, quite small Bulldog Clips, one in bright blue, one in bright orange. They're fun. I'm going to put those straight in my Bulldog Clip box. There we go. We've got some pens, nice pens. So there's a red Stabilo pen. This is basically a felt tip pen. I've got a whole lot of pens in this style, and that will go in my pen box. There's an orange Stabilo highlighter. I quite like this rather than the kind of big chunky highlighters in bright neon orange. And then there are 2 zebra pens, Zebra Z Grip, both of them with a medium nib, and they're basically biros. One is a little short one with turquoise ink, and one is a longer pink one with really nice dark pink ink. Let me just show you how that writes. So that's zebra pen. So you can see it's not the kind of neon pink that you can't really read. That's very usable pen. And then this is the other zebra pen in a slightly turquoisey blue. So they're both, I think, very usable, just ordinary writing pens. I'm going to pop those in my pen pot right now. Then what do we have? We have this little packet of brightly coloured post-it notes, so 2 different sizes, the smaller ones in 4 colours and the larger ones in 2 colours. I have discovered that I don't use post-it notes all that much, sticky notes technically. Yeah, I don't. I always think, oh, I must have sticky notes, and I've got lots of packets of pretty sticky notes, and then I don't get through them. But anyway, I will try and get through these, and I like that they're in different colours and different sizes. Maybe I will take those to my office and use them there. And then finally, and this really is the highlight of the box, 3, there we go, that's the front, 3 pocket-sized notebooks from the Dark Star collection. One is in red, one is in yellow, and this one, it's sort of just about an orange, but it's really a sort of gold yellow colour, sort of sunflower yellow. If this one's lemon yellow, this one's sort of sunflower yellow. And they are beautiful. They are absolutely beautiful. They are handmade. Each of them has inside a page with your name and what you should do about it. And then just look at this. I hope you can see that. One side of the paper is dot grid and one side is lined. Dot grid and lined. And they will be absolutely perfect for going in my traveller's notebook. They're slightly smaller, they are pocket size, and my traveller's notebook is A6, but they will work just fine in there, and they will be perfect little notebooks for that. And 3 of them, and they're just such nice quality paper. It's just smooth and beautiful, and yeah. We never knew when we started our adventure that the perfect notebook would in fact be made in the simplest form with the very best materials, and that is really what these feel like, and I'm looking forward to using those enormously. So that's Spotlight Stationery. It's not the cheapest box out there, but it is really, really nice quality things. These notebooks are glorious, and yeah, really worth the money. Nice pens, I've got the other pens there, nice post-it notes, the little Bulldog Clips and the postcards. So I just think, you know, different things each month. Some months we get a big notebook, some months it's more pen focused or accessories focused, but I just think they'll all be really usable and things that will be really enjoyable to use. So I'm looking forward to getting my next box in 2 months' time.